students, in this video we are going to see about Lorentz force. In physics, particularly electromagnetism, the Lorentz force is the combination of electric and magnetic force on a point charge due to electromagnetic fields. In electromagnetic fields, we already know the electric field is induced by the charge which is in rest, okay, and the magnetic field is induced by the charge which is in flow or in motion movement, okay. Then due to electromagnetic fields, a combination of electric and magnetic force on a point charge is known as Lorentz force. If a particle of charge q moves with velocity in the presence of electric field E and a magnetic field B, then it will be experiences a force. This derivation of Lorentz force is derived by Oliver Heaviside. And this is the Lorentz force. F is equal to QE plus QV into B. B is magnetic field and E is electric field. Okay. And he is the Hendrik Anton Lorentz who founds the Lorentz force. Lorentz force of law. Say a charge Q resides at point R and is moving at a velocity V. We already know a charge is in rest, it can induce electric field, and a charge is in motion with the velocity V, it can induce a magnetic field. Somewhere other charges and currents have generated an electric field and magnetic flux density B. These fields exert a force on charge. Okay, the induced electromagnetic field exerts a force on a particular point charge which is equal to Lorentz force. F is equal to Q into E of R, which is nothing but electric field, plus V into B of R. V is nothing but velocity and B is magnetic flux density. Here the force due to E of R, that is ion, could be parallel to velocity V. For the case, electric field will apply a force on the charge in the direction of its velocity, which is the direction of velocity O, and that direction only the charge of force of charge will be applied. This will speed up the charge, essentially adding kinetic energy to the charged particle. Or the force due to electric field could be anti-parallel to velocity of u. For this case, the electric field applies force on the charge in the opposite direction. If the velocity is exert on an anti-parallel means the electric field applies a force on the charge in the opposite direction. If the force on the charge is in normal parallel to the velocity means the electric field which is normal to the velocity means the force is also in the same direction. This will slow down the charge. That means the opposite direction of the movement will slow down the charge, essentially extracting kinetic energy from the charged particle. Next, now contrast this with the force applied by the magnetic flux density Fm. That means force due to magnetic flux density, which is equal to V into B of R into Q. Therefore, Fm is always orthogonal to velocity vector. As a result, the force due to magnetic flux density B can change the direction of velocity but not the magnitude of the velocity. The magnetic flux density B only can change the direction itself. It cannot change the magnitude of the velocity. In other words, the force Fm, which is nothing but magnetic field force, neither speeds up or slow down a charged particle, although it will change its direction only. As a result, the magnetic flux Br cannot modify the kinetic energy of the particle, which is the important point in the Lorentz force. Let's talk about the practical application of Lorentz force. Almost perfect application of the Lorentz force is cathode ray tube. We all know the cathode ray tube is the backbone for the television as well as computer monitor. The device at the heart of every television and computer monitor is cathode ray tube. At the very back of a cathode ray tube is an element that is heated to a very high temperatures. This hot element begins to emit electrons into the vacuum tube of the CRT. The electrostatic deflection of the electron beam in a CRT. This will induce the electrons. This electrons is put on the back of the monitor, and it can enhance the colors as well as the pixels of the image. And this is the exact application of the Lorentz law. Thank you.